Hey guys, what? I don't know. Happy Valentine's Day. So I did my makeup. Now I know this was a makeup channel and then it wasn't a makeup channel and it's still not a makeup channel. But I did say I would do makeup sometimes and I feel like doing it because what day is better to do makeup than Valentine's Day? So this is what I came up with. And honestly, I wasn't even trying. Like you'll see in the video, this video was not supposed to turn out good, but like I'm good at makeup. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time because I'm sure you guys have like Valentine's dates. Honestly, if you're on YouTube, you probably don't. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. You did not come here to get a tag. Okay, anyway, watch the video so that I can get AdSense money. Oh my God. Okay, but yeah, watch the video because I'm awesome and I'm so funny and the makeup turned out great. Okay, bye. Hi. All right, guys, so I've already done all my other makeup because I cannot be bothered to sit here and do my face routine. Basically, it's just foundation and bronzer and eyebrows. Okay, all right, so I don't have a plan. Like, I don't have a plan. Wait, do I have a plan? I don't know. So let's just chat, you know, like let's just have like a little chat. Okay, so first, oh my God, this video is gonna suck. I'm going in with some powder and just like making my eyelids not greasy because that's f***ing gross. So this is a ColourPop palette. I actually did a video on it when I did makeup videos and it has like all these pink colors. So I'm just gonna use all of these and load it up, all right? Because I'm a real YouTuber, oh God. Is flying. Because I'm a real YouTuber, I have Morphe brushes. Can you believe it? Use code Sophia. Just kidding. Don't use that code. I don't have a code. I wish I did. Anyway, so I have these brushes and I just wanted to show you them. I'm not using them right now. I just wanted to show you. Look at them. They're all new. Listen to the brush ASMR. Okay, this video is a mess. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 573. What is this video? Like, why am I doing this? I don't know. And I'm going in with this one. Yes. Ooh, she's pigmented. Do you see that? So we're gonna go in the crease and put it there. I know, it's so riveting. Like, don't you just love makeup? What the f? That's cute, yeah? Yeah. Do it on the other side. I don't know how to like align my arms. Shop Morphe. I'm so shady. Oh my God, get this hair off me. She is so pigmented. Do you see that? Like, wow, Morphe snapped. Now we're gonna go in with a bigger brush and blend her. Oh my God, look at this. This looks like a Barbie when you were like 5 and you kept it in some random closet and then you found her one day and her hair's like this.
No, 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 no.
Okay, this is the Urban Decay Born to Run. I'm going in with Still Hot because we need to remind these we are still hot, obviously. And it's Valentine's Day, you know, like all the guys that wanted to be with you and then they f***ed it up and then they come back and they like want you because you're still hot. That's honestly the story of my life. Today's a shady video, isn't it? She snapped. Damn, girl, look at that. Look at that blend. Are you kidding? Cool. Now, let's make the crease a little more vibrant. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this one. It's called Poodle. I'm gonna go back with the Morphe M75. Is that a hair on me or the screen? Oh my God, you can see my phone. We's going in with the Poodle. Now we're gonna go into crease. I don't know why I'm talking like a baby today. That actually looks pretty good if you ask me. By the way, I do like this brush. I know I was like roasting it because it shedded, but like, she kind of snapped. I'm gonna take the Barbie hairbrush and put it all over and just make it look like I tried, you know? There's a guy outside and he has no shirt on. He's drinking coffee and just like staring down at like the outside and it's reminding me of like a 50-year-old dad. I hope he doesn't see me because that's really awkward. Okay, well it doesn't matter because I'm iconic and he's not. So now I'm taking this color called Breakaway, similar to the way I chose to break away from boys. We're gonna break away with this eyeshadow. Why do I say stupid? That's actually so pretty. Are you kidding? That looks so good. I'm not doing like a real cut crease, but it looks like one because it's so light. Do you hear that? Can my fridge shut the f up, Kyle?
What the fuck is up, Kyle?
Why is this side so much better? Why is my ice machine making weird noises? Shut the f up! Like, be honest, does it look good? Okay, so I'm gonna go under my eye with this one, Still Hot, because we gotta remind them, still hot, even on the bottom eyelid. Connect it to the outside. Do some of that. If you have like smaller eyes like I do, if you go like this, you can see like where your actual like eyeball is. What the and you can like darken that to really show like how big your actual eyes are. You see, like now it kind of gives it like a little definition, you know what I mean? If you are normal, you could probably stop there. But I am extra, so I'm gonna do more than that. And I am gonna go in with the brightest pink on the planet and take this Morphe pencil brush that is literally brand new. It's so perfect. And I'm gonna go in on the tip. Happy Valentine's Day. And go like along the eyelashes, the lash line, and use it as like an eyeliner and like bring it up like a cat eye. Look at that. That's sick. I'm not kidding, like literally make an eyeliner with it, like a wing. So then, okay, I'm too impatient. So like then on the top, you can take like a normal eyeliner and connect it with the pink and it'll look fucking dope. So watch, go and follow that line. Okay, don't tell me that doesn't look cool. Look at it. It's like going along the line. Honestly, I literally just made that up. I'm so stylish. Like, are you kidding? That looks so good. I'm annoyed. Now I have this little highlighter stick thing. It's called Stella. It's by Thrive Cosmetics, but it's spelled like Cos. You can't even see it. Fun fact, I named my car Stella. I love that name. I'm gonna take it and put it like in the corner like that. And this is the, what I like to call highlighter base. So like people would probably leave it like that, but I'm gonna take, this is the Anastasia Dream Palette, except the dreams are broken because I dropped it on the floor and they all shattered. So that would represent my dreams very well. I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna take that one and I'm gonna put it on top of the Stella. It's gonna be popping. Like, are you kidding? Look how bright that is. So now I'm gonna finish this eye and then we can put on eyelashes so we can look like a normal Sophia. What is that person doing? I think someone's watching me. Shout out to my haters. What? So I'm gonna do the other eye now. I'm just gonna pause this because I don't feel like editing it because I'm lazy. And we are back. I look like a different person, honestly. Eyelashes are so important. So here's what it looks like eyeshadow wise. I actually think it looks so good. I did not expect it to look this good. Like, I thought it was gonna kind of suck, to be honest. Like, this video was supposed to be trash and it turned out actually good. But we are not done. For blush, because I'm a beauty guru, we are gonna use the NARS Orgasm. Yes, it is called that if you are not like a beauty person. It looks like this. It's peach colored. And I have probably had this specific blush for, God, I literally don't even remember when I bought it. Like, it's that old. And I put it in the middle of my cheeks. Could even do some on your nose. That's like a new thing that people do. Then we're gonna go and do highlighter. The highlighter I use on my face is this ColourPop On the Cusp highlighter by Kathleen Lights. Well, it's by ColourPop, but like Kathleen Lights designed it. I take that with my Morphe. Oh my God, I'm literally Jaclyn Hill. She like comes out of the closet. No, wait, no, like the closet in my place, not like her coming out is like, okay, I'm gonna put the highlight on. I mean, look at that. Yeah, I put it a little on my cheek. Then I'm gonna take a little and put it on my lip. We're gonna take a little brush and go into the highlight and I put it on my nose. So I go in a line like that. And then I do like a tiny dot and then blend it in so you don't look psychotic. Ignore how dirty this is, but I'm gonna use this. It's called I Heart This by ColourPop. I don't know if I'm gonna dot it or actually like put it on. I'm gonna dot it. Not fully put it on, just go like that. Yeah, maybe a little more. Can you hear that? Ew. Okay, so this is cute, but honestly, I have been crazy about lip gloss lately because first of all, this is my favorite lip gloss of all time. It's called Sophia. I'm not even kidding. Look at it. It's called Sophia. You can't even see it. It is minty, so it like feels minty when you put it on, but it smells like vanilla, and that's like my two favorite things, and it plumps your lips so they look huge. Like, it's crazy. So I'm gonna put that on top because honestly, if you want a guy to talk to you, like, you just need your little thoughty lip gloss. I am a terrible role model. Be like me and don't get a boyfriend. Look how good that looks. Like, are you kidding? What do those lips do? What? It's so pretty out. Oh my god. It's like so sunny. Okay, and if you are a stage 3 thotty, you will go on with another lip gloss. I'm not even kidding. If you are an original makeup person, like on YouTube, everyone used MAC. And listen, I don't like MAC not because of their makeup, but because I found out that they do like technically tests on animals, so I don't buy it anymore. But I have this lip gloss, which is literally the most iconic lip gloss in the world. Like, this came before the Fenty and all that. It is the OG stage 3, like level 3, max level. There are 3 levels apparently of looking like a iconic ass bitch. This has little sparkles in it. This one is called Moth to Flame, and that's how I feel about guys. Like, I just kind of like fly on over to them. Stop me. I'm just gonna put that on top, and it's gonna add a sparkle. Do you see that? Watch. I will zoom in. Can you even tell a difference? Bro, look at this brush. It looks like a Barbie. Wait. Hold up. This is like the mama. Actually, it's a little better now that I used it. And this is the baby. And they're like this f***ed up family. Like, this is like a single mom. This is like the kid that's rebellious. I'm sorry. If that was like you and you're triggered, I'm sorry. What the f***? If your hair is sticking to your lips, you have passed the test. I think we're done. Oh, wait, no. So I have this spray, this Mario Badescu coconut spray, because I want it to be different. I didn't want to get the rose water one. I wanted to get the coconut. So basically it's just water that does nothing, and I'm gonna spray it on my face because that's what beauty gurus do. All right. Oh, that was actually really refreshing. She kind of snapped. Okay, that's enough. Here is the makeup. Honestly, did not expect it to look good. This video was literally supposed to be trash. Like, it was just supposed to be like, watch me do my makeup while I like it up and like be stupid, but this video was good and I'm uncomfortable, so I'm gonna go. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you have a really good Valentine's Day. Honestly, like, you don't need a man, you don't need a girl, you don't need anybody but the thotty lip gloss. Goodbye.